Hey, Jew gangers, and happy spooky season. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded. Life been lifing, okay? But we're back and better, ready to open up these hips and release all that built up energy. If you've been feeling tight, stuck, or just need a reset, this one's for you. Let's get into it. Let's start by releasing all the air from your body and locking in to a good stretch. Let's begin.
See me on way out of here, too far to step. Ash with the top, my ass, bitch so pretty, look better. Popping on Zeus and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up like this. Came at the color, ain't never made a swagger. Security bank. Ass so fat. Ass so fat like. Damn, that's so fat. Damn, like, damn, like, damn, Hey, yo, not the producer. Tell me to stop playing on your name. That's so fat, like, that's so fat, like.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Baby, I just don't get it.
Remember, your hips hold emotion. So every stretch like this is a chance to free your body and your mind. I missed y'all, and I'm so proud of you for showing up for yourself today. If you felt that release, drop a heart in the comments, like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, keep moving, keep loving yourself, and I'll see you on the mat.